Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Miriam Smith, DNP. Welcome to the Empowering New Nurses show. I'm thrilled today that you have taken time out to participate in this session, in this episode. Today's episode, we'll be talking about transformational leaders, nursing leaders. I want you to think about, in our changing world today, there are so many complexities. There's a constant change, and we need leaders who are capable, who can adapt, who are resourceful, and they see talents, they see innovations, they see creativity in others who follow, others who they lead. Now, these transformational leaders in nursing, they are knowledgeable. They have management resources. They have the know-how to tap into individuals with talents, with capabilities who others might not have seen, and try to, out of them, get the most and help them, lead them, guide them, direct them into areas that they are talented, they have the potentials and the capability of doing great exploits. And so we are excited that we have such leaders in our nursing today. Now, these leaders, transformational leaders, are those who are highly engaged in management, and they are present as role models for our now generation, our younger nurses. They are committed to seeing that other nurses, their followers, get it right. They are committed to help them to succeed. And that's great. That is important, because the time, like, for example, back in the days, a nurse would have to be in a position or serve for how many years or so before they would get, they would upscale. But now, with the changes and the preparation, being equipped at an earlier time, they are able to do exploits. They are able to go into leadership. And so these transformational nursing leaders ensure that, encourage our young nurses, our junior nurses to pursue higher education and be equipped so that they'll be able to integrate the new knowledge, and they'll be able to ensure that others are motivated and be able to give the high quality nursing care that all patients need. Now, you will hear words such as transformation, processes, structures, outcomes, evidence-based, influencer, inspirational, intellectual stimulation, empowerment. These are some of the common words that you'll be hearing among the transformational leaders, because they are in a changing world. We are in a changing world. And so in preparation for leadership, the transformational leaders encourage the new grads. Sometimes they're delegated, sometimes they ask them to serve in a different capacity than they thought they would have been in a longer time. However, I'm just encouraging you to, by the opportunity, go forward, ask questions, be proactive, and get yourself into some of the nursing institute organizations, and be advocate for both yourselves and for your patients. And as you interact with others, you'll see there's so much to learn. There's so much out there. And we have, for example, Sigma Theta Tau, we have Zeta Omega, we have different organizations within the organizations, nursing organizations, ANA, we have so many more, critical care, nursing, all of that, institutions and organizations that are relevant, that are updating evidence-based practices, research teams, and the governance of your organization. Let your voices be heard, and welcome. and move forward as you grow. Apply to schools, further your education, both in academia and also in the clinical practices. Thank you for listening, and go for it. Go for it. I'm Miriam Smith, DNP, and I know you have gained some insight on what the transformational nursing is all about. Remember, I said transformational, and you also have the many other styles of leadership. I did not see transactional. That's more authoritative. And back in my time, there was mostly of that transactional, that someone says something and that's it, give an order or something. But thanks that we have grown, and nursing is a profession. And you know that you have a voice as any other healthcare personnel. And you have to advocate for your patients and also advocate for yourselves. Thank you. I'm Dr. Miriam Smith, and it was a pleasure hosting today. You can subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Podcast Mirror and Facebook. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to seeing you and hearing from you. Leave a comment, and every week you will have an episode until otherwise. Remember, I'll be asking for some interviews, and that will be coming up not long from now. Thanks. Have a good one. Miriam Smith. Bye.